Okay, we have a nice long position right here. Curl and bounce trade coming off of our 2-minute chart on the right. We're using our zones here. Before we execute this long position, we still have just a little bit of time here before we have to do this. Let's make sure we're on the right contract month. So we'll get March here. And we also want to go in 8 contracts on this particular trade. It's a pretty decent trade. And change this to 8. All right, we can execute our long position here. All right, there it is. Now remember, it's $8, $10 a tick per, and we're in 8 contracts. And we'll go for, let's go between 12 for 12 and 15. Let's see if we can get another run up here. Came pretty close to our profit target earlier. It should make one more nice little run, and there's really no resistance keeping this from hitting our profit target of 35. And again, it's $10 a tick times the 8 contracts times the 15 ticks. So you can do the math on that. It should be something in the $1,300 neighborhood. There's going to be some slippage and things like that. And again, I recommend everyone come to our free live market sessions. Oh, there it is. We hit it. 1100, 1120 on that. All right. So we can go on to the next trade here. All right, here's a nice short position right here. It's not nice. It's an okay short position. We're going to adjust our contracts to just 2 on this one. And we're going to do something between 10 and 15 ticks on this, but only with 2 contracts. We haven't quite hit our zone level yet on this, so there's a little bit of this might still have a little bit of a upward movement before we see price come down here. So we may have entered the trade a little early, but because of that, we adjusted our contract size from, I think our last trade was 8. We adjusted this down to 2 because of that. Okay, we're getting pretty close here to our 12 tick profit target. As you can see, price did indeed go up just to our zone line. We weren't sure about that, but okay, there it is. All right, so we did hit our 12 ticks just off 2 contracts though, and so it puts us at 1360 there on 2 trades. And again, I'd like to welcome everyone to our free live market sessions. You get to watch. We only trade from 8:45 till about 11 o'clock.